Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dua and today's video is going to be a little bit different. Now, one of my good friend's birthdays is coming up and she's probably been bored out of her mind during quarantine, so I thought I'd give her a surprise. So Fatima, this one's dedicated to you. So I started off by getting a present a few weeks ago, so it's been in the house for a while now, so all I needed to do was wrap it up. So I started off by wrapping it up in some nice tissue on the inside and then wrapping it up as regular. And I added some Bounty in there as well because we both like Bounty. Don't judge. After that I got a balloon as well which says her name on it. And now all that was left to do was to make her cake. So her mum already told me her preferred flavour, so I'll show you how I did it. Let's go. So I made red velvet cakes and started by leveling them off after they cooled down with a serrated edge knife. Then I made some cream cheese frosting and spread that onto the cake board and started layering all of my cake pieces together. In between each layer I added some cream cheese frosting, but then I also added some simple syrup, which is equal parts of water and sugar, and this just keeps the cake very, very moist. I then did a crumb coat around the cake, which basically just catches all of the loose crumbs so I could have frosted it later, and I smoothed everything out with a straight edge. I then coloured the icing in some of her favourite colours, just so I could decide which one to choose. And I ended up choosing green, just to stick with the theme of the balloon and the ribbon that I tied her present with. Can you tell she likes green? So I covered the entire cake and kept it quite rustic looking. Then moving on to the decorating, I used some flowers, some mini meringues, and some silver decorative balls. And obviously these are all edible. So I started off by layering the meringues around the top of the cake. And then scattering the flowers around the sides. And I just added a few touches with the silver balls at the top as well. And this is what it looked like. Hi!
Oh my god!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you! Oh my god!
I'm also here to look at your house.
Oh my
but no, we're not.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so excited! I can't! Oh my god, thank you so much!
That's okay, and I also have another surprise for you.
Oh my god!
So made you a cake. Look at her face! Oh my god! I know, it's okay. I was so excited. You also will light the candles and then you can cut the cake.
Oh my god!
I can't believe it. This is like,
It's so pretty!
I made a YouTube video on it as
Oh
well.
my god!
I made a whole YouTube video dedicated to you.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you so
Happy
much.
birthday, dear Fatima!
Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Fatima, I hope you liked your surprise and the cake and everything. Once again, happy birthday. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye guys.